Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I'm working on a 06 E250. What we did is we had to take the blower motor out, so I'm just going to go over a little bit of test on these things. Red and black, that's your ground, and the solid red, that's your power. All you have to do is pull the battery out. The battery tray, which is 13 millimeters, has to come out. Bolts are probably going to break. And then also the receiver dryer just needs to be unbolted. You don't have to take the whole Freon out and take that out. Like, this will move back enough to slip it out that direction. So what I want to go over is testing these. As you can see, let me see if I can get this to focus. As of right now, like, nothing. But what we could do is we could do the old drop test. And this could work in the vehicle. You can smack it with a hammer and it'll start working. And you'll know it's definitely the blower. So see, now we have a ground connection. It'll move. So yeah, if you can put power and ground on these and it moves, then it's good. Power and ground to this, if you have power and ground to this, that should be moving. If you do not have your power, you're going to want to go to your resistor and check it. And you also have a blower motor relay you're going to want to go to and completely check in a fuse. But this is just getting you through on this. This is probably going to be the most common problem. Testing with it in the vehicle is not as simple. That's why I took everything out. It's literally less than an hour to do the whole job. You can reinstall the battery, test your power and ground, and you can test the blower motor outside of it like that. Or with it in the vehicle, you can tap it with the screwdriver, and if it starts to kind of work, then you know the motor's bad. So just a little quick checkout. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe. 8 millimeters is what you're going to need to get it out, and as always, keep wrenching.